Hi, I'm Tori, and today I will be showing you what's new in Sage Interact Construction as of the R4 release in 2024. And we're going to be focusing on the automatic vendor payment notifications to more recipients. So now automatic payment notifications can be sent to both primary and secondary vendor email addresses with a simple configuration change. So if you read directions better, then you can pause the video here and take a screenshot or use this as your directions. If you want me to show you how to do it, then please stay. So the payment notification process, you're going to set up the secondary email notifications in your configuration, like I'm going to show you. Then you're going to create a payment request in bills, setting the desired contact for notifications. After approval, you're going to confirm the payment based on the payment method. Then if automatic notifications are enabled, Interact will send notifications to both primary and secondary emails for the vendor's pay to contact using the chosen sender from pay bills unless another contact is specified in the payment approval settings. So some helpful information on this is that if no secondary email is specified, Interact sends notification to the primary email only without generating an error. So you do have to be aware of that. Manual payment notification emails, when sending them from a posted payment view, Interact sends it to the primary email only. So how are we going to configure this? So we are going to start by clicking the applications up here, and we're going to go to accounts payable. From here, we're going to go into the setup and then configuration. Here, we're going to scroll down until we get to enable functionality. And then we will have include secondary email contacts and automatic payment notifications. Once you check this box and click save, now it's done. And on the contact list tab, make sure to verify the vendor name and email address. Now we also have to set up a vendor to receive payment notifications. So we're going to go to accounts payable again. Then we're going to click all, go to vendors. So we are going to select whichever vendor that we need to select. I'm going to choose this one. And you're going to click edit. We are going to go to the payment information tab. Then we are going to select this checkbox where it says send automatic payment notification. So after we have checked that, we are going to click save. And then we are going to go to edit really quick again, just to check our contact list and make sure that we have contacts in here and verify their name and email address. And make sure that they have a name and email address. And this second contact that it's going to be going to is the paid to contact. That's going to be the secondary. So once we save this, the notification email details, the payment notifications are sent to both the primary and the secondary emails listed as the vendor's paid to contact, with the print as name used in the greeting. And then if the paid to contact is set to same as vendor, then the print as name and email addresses are sourced from the vendor's primary tab. And that is what's new in just that little bit in R4.